Hi everyone, here is Abdul, and today we have actually a repair video, if you can call it that. I noticed that one of my new acquisitions was running way out of range, and I contacted my watchmaker, and he told me to bring it by, and he told me it was magnetized. So I came and tested out my watches and to see if any of them is also behaving like weirdly, because as you know I wear my watch in a roundation, so I don't get to have this day by day feel if the watch is let's say plus 60 plus 70. So I have this time grapher, and as you can see on the time grapher, there is definitely something wrong about this movement, about the Seiko movement. Minus 19 plus 8, 19, and just jumping up and down, up and down. And I thought as an experiment, I'll buy a demagnifier and check if this is a magnetic issue. That's the it wasn't the whole time like this. That's why I'm saying it's just minus 40. Something is wrong. This doesn't look like a good movement numbers. Anyways, I bought this demagnetizer, cheap demagnetizer online to try it out, to see if demagnetizing the watch will affect these numbers that we can see now. That it's just so up and down, up and down. Actually, now it's in range, which just makes me uncomfortable to use it on this watch at the moment. Let's wait and see. Let's wait and see the numbers. Anyways, let's get this one. So, and let me stop maybe. And the other watch was actually, if you have a time grapher, you always have to close it and open it if you're using different types of movements. Let's say this is 1800 and this is 21,600. So definitely you need to change that's what I'm talking about. Plus 82, where you can see that the movement is just moving plus 80 straight, while this movement was always taken care of. And that's why I'm thinking it might be magnetized as well, because the other movement showed the exact same thing. It was like plus 85 and it was a new movement. So let's see, let's maybe try with this one, and if we magnetize it we can go back to my watchmaker and ask him to demagnetize it correctly. So hopefully we demagnetize it, and we'll see on the time grapher if we made it better or make it worse. So I don't know, I didn't try it before, so we'll try it together. So let me stop this one, let me even close it, put this one. I'll hook up the demagnifying and explain how it works. That's why I'm actually not wearing a watch, because I'm afraid to magnify to magnify another one, so I need to demagnify it again. So an unending cycle. So yeah, let me get the demagnifier and come back to you guys. So instructions are very clear. Press red button, hold, you can hear the magnifier, and then move the watch up and down, or move the object up and down, or right to right. So let's try this out. Let me even, yeah, that's actually a nice idea to get it like this. So I'll put like this. Okay, let me now get the time grapher again and see what happened. Moment of truth. Let's see what happened. I think I made it worse. My exact feeling, I made it worse. I did actually make it worse. So good thing I didn't try it with this Seiko first. So now I know what happened. So, what do you guys think? I'll upload this video first and ask you guys, should I continue again with the watch? because I think now I magnetized it. Yeah, maybe I'll do again another experiment and put it after this video. If not, then you know, guys, that I called my watchmaker. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoyed my mistake here, my error. If you know what I did wrong, I put the watch too near to the part. That might be an issue. I might have just to press once while putting it and take it out. I have to look again the videos and watch how they did it. Yeah. Anyways, if you have a suggestion, leave it in the comment section. And yeah, if I don't have a video after that, then thanks, Jan, for repairing the watch. Okay, see you guys. Bye bye.